Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her kindness and gentle heart. One day, as she was playing near a babbling brook, she heard a tiny, distressed chirp. Following the sound, Lily discovered a small, injured sparrow. Its wing was tangled in a thorny vine, and it couldn't fly. Lily, with her compassionate nature, carefully untangled the sparrow and nursed its wing back to health. To Lily's amazement, the sparrow transformed into a magical fairy. The fairy revealed herself to be Luna, a guardian of the enchanted forest. Touched by Lily's kindness, Luna decided to grant her a wish. Lily, with a heart full of sincerity, wished for the ability to understand and speak the language of animals. Luna granted her wish, and from that day forward, Lily could communicate with the creatures of the forest. As Lily explored the enchanted forest, she encountered various animals with unique stories and challenges. One day, she met a wise old owl named Oliver, who shared a valuable secret. A magical flower, hidden deep within the forest, possessed the power to heal any ailment. Eager to share this magical flower's healing properties with her village, Lily embarked on a quest, accompanied by Luna and Oliver. The journey was filled with challenges, but Lily's newfound ability to understand animals helped them overcome obstacles. One day, they reached the heart of the enchanted forest, where the magical flower bloomed. However, a fierce dragon guarded it, and it would only let those with pure intentions approach. Lily, drawing on the lessons of kindness she had learned, approached the dragon with respect and explained her mission. Surprisingly, the dragon, touched by Lily's sincerity, allowed her to pick the magical flower. With the enchanted flower in hand, Lily returned to her village. The flower's healing powers brought health and happiness to the villagers, and Lily became a beloved figure in the community. The moral of the story is that kindness and compassion can lead to unexpected blessings. Lily's genuine concern for the sparrow not only healed a wing, but also opened the doors to a magical adventure and brought prosperity to her entire village. And so, the tale of Lily and the Enchanted Sparrow became a cherished story passed down through generations, reminding everyone of the power of a kind heart.